The images you are about to see here are the latest images from the Sun. Gregor, the largest solar telescope in Europe, has obtained these unprecedented images of our star. The Gregor telescope allows scientists to resolve details as small as 50 kilometers on the Sun, which is a tiny fraction on the solar diameter of 1.4 million kilometers. This is a temporary region where the Sun's magnetic field is particularly strong, inhibiting the Sun's normal surface convection activity. It appears darker on the surface of the Sun because it is cooler than the material around it. Earlier this year, we were able to see some other images from Solar Orbiter, a joint project between NASA and ESA. Mission scientists were particularly excited because they identified an entirely new feature in the images, thanks to their fine detail. These structures are tiny bursts. The smallest of these campfires are about the size of a European country. We have studied the Sun for years, and we know so much more about it than we used to. For instance, we have traced sun flares for years, and we know they are tremendous explosions in the atmosphere of the Sun, capable of releasing as much energy as 1 billion megatons of TNT. The biggest ever recorded was on Monday, April 2, 2001, observed by the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory satellite. The flare was definitely more powerful than the famous solar flare on March 6, 1989, which was released to the disruption of power grids in Canada. And in the end, you might think how our Sun might sound like. There are solar sounds generated from 40 days of the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory's Michelson Doppler imager. This is the Brain Maze, signing off.